You would. I mean, I'm not gonna come back here for court. You know what I mean?
Right. Well, and that's nothing to do with the ticket. It's my concern is you're pulling a lot of weight.
It's Monday morning, guys. We're on our way back to Ohio. We left at like 5 o'clock Texas time, and we're on our way home. GPS is saying 12 hours again. We knew it was 15 hours last time, so we're prepared for 15 hours. I'm gonna try to make it back in time to turn in the stuff before 5 o'clock, which I think really that means we can turn it in even after hours. It's been a great trip. Got to see a lot. To be honest with you guys, man, I want to come back. I don't know when and where. I mean when, but I definitely do want to come back. Everybody was cool, man. It was a real good time. You know, it was great spending time with LS Chevy Rider at the show. Obviously, family too. But got to go back home. Business got to get taken care of. We on Route 30, going east, back into the O. Going into Buc-ee's real quick to get some gas. And guess no semi-trucks. That's the thing, no semi-trucks. I got diesel. I mean, this place is huge. The pump truck is over there. Let's see here. This place is like a supermarket. You would. I mean, I'm not gonna come back here for court. You know what I mean?
Right. Well, and that's nothing to do with the ticket. It's my concern is you're pulling a lot of weight, and when you got speed, it's a lot harder to stop, especially on a regular vehicle that doesn't have trailer brakes and all that.
Yeah. Well, man, thank you. I mean, you know, obviously, I didn't notice that I was going 85 or anything like that, but honestly, I didn't even see you until I pulled off to get gas.
Right.
And then just so happened, I was like, oh, I guess we're getting pulled over, you know?
Yeah. I was down there.
Yeah.
I caught up with you right as you were taking the exit.
Okay.
So what I'm doing is I wrote it for 80 instead of 85, which is the lowest bracket there is.
Okay.
Court date is the 3rd of August at 9 a.m. there in Hot Springs County Court. This number here, same as this one, it's the Rockport Police Department. They give you information about the ticket. If you want to pay it without having to appear in court, you can mail it, go by there, or go online.
Okay.
If you'd like, you can call, ask to speak. Well, I think you automatically talk to the court clerk when you call them. You can ask about a civil penalty to keep it off your driveway.
Okay.
You got any questions on it?
No, not at all. What should I do? Obviously, I shouldn't speed in the future, but I didn't even. Where you guys hiding at?
I was on the off ramp.
Oh, the off ramp.
Yeah,
okay.
You're not gonna see me until after you're past me.
Man, I can't even. They ain't even tell me on the Waze app or nothing. You know.
I move.
Okay.
Like after I stopped you this time, I'll move to a different area. That way it's not. So, I mean, you know, like I said, my thing is I'm just worried about the weight when you be able to stop.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not saying I wouldn't write you if you weren't pulling a trailer, but less likely because you got that extra weight and being able to stop. And that's what concerns me. If you saw what I saw here on the side of the highway.
Yeah.
I've seen some pretty nasty stuff.
Yeah, my neighbor, he's a sergeant for our county sheriff's office, so yeah, we talk a lot, so it's crazy.
Y'all just be careful. Okay?
All right, thank you.
You.
Have a good one, sir. Leave it up. Why are you stopping it? So we're gonna get some gas, guys. We got a ticket. You know, I'm gonna show you guys. So we got the ticket. So it is what it is. Over and I got a ticket. You know, he said I was going 95, 85 in the 75, which I don't think I was, but I'm not gonna go to court, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna go to court because I'm 10 hours away from home. So the best thing I can do is just be a good citizen, you know, and be polite and, you know, take my ticket. You know, he actually cut me a deal, you know, not really a deal, but he actually only put it for 80 in the 75, which is like the minimal. So I'm gonna take my ticket, man, and you know, head on home and try to, you know, just make sure, you know, I don't get caught speeding again. Yeah, I'm trying to get home. Obviously, it's a 15-hour ride, so I'm trying to cut that down as much as possible, but we're gonna try to stay safe, you know. Got the family with me, and obviously we're carrying the car behind us too, so just things to be, you know, cautious of. I mean, you don't want to have, you know, I don't need to try to make a permanent solution or a permanent mistake for a temporary problem. You know, mess around and flip this car and flip the vehicle, that'd be, you know, extremely unfortunate. All because I'm just trying to get home maybe 30, 45 minutes early or an hour early. So for everybody that's traveling like this, man, slow it down a little bit. You know, I didn't get in any accidents, but myself and the trooper, we had a little talk about it, and he was like, if you see the stuff I see, man, you know, that's why I stopped you, is what he said. You know, if you've seen the stuff I've seen, that's why I stopped you, because I'm really concerned about the speed with the load on the back, carrying a heavy load. But we're showing where we're at. We're in Arkansas, pretty much in the woods. So I actually couldn't even see the police officer. Like, he was up on the exit ramp, because there's really nowhere for them to camp. So they set up on the exit ramps, and when you pass them, that's when they can get you. So he said he was up on the exit ramp and he seen me fly by. That's when he got me. It is what it is, guys. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted, man. We still on the way home. This road trip has been great so far. Even with the ticket, I'm still in good spirits, you know what I mean? Like I said, the cop was cool. He wasn't super aggressive or anything like that. So, you know, but you know, you treat people with respect, you get respect back. So, I'll catch y'all back on in a minute.